nigga. You want us to record the video? Okay, man. Come through. Cool. Damn. Alright, let's get it. Hi there, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Yeah, so yeah guys, we've been away for a while. We've been busy with our clients and making sure that we're actually providing and creating content for all our students. So for this time guys, we've been away, we've been working a lot. As you've seen this year guys, we didn't actually send out a lot of materials on the YouTube channel for you guys, as we're a lot more busy with our paid clients. However, the good news is for these 3 weeks only, these 3 weeks, we are running a Black Friday special. So for that guys, be sure you check the link in the description below. So yes, we're doing all of this in order to help you guys, working extra hard, working Monday to Sunday, waking up every day just to make sure we're taking care and are giving back to our loyal subscribers. So what we're gonna do now guys, we promise you guys that once we reach 100k views on this video here, where we give you guys our free strategy, we're gonna make a part 2. So those who are watching the video guys, congratulations. First of all, you are lucky. And you're getting the part 2 of how to use our strategy to grow a $100 account and actually get to double that using proper risk management. So if you're new to our channel guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned to learn more in terms of how to be a professional trader. See you on the next side. Away man, so show us what you got for us here.
Okay, yeah, I've got my 5,000 deposit, 5,000 ZAR account deposit, which I did here, and I've been catching buys since 11,869.
Wow.
Yeah, I've been catching pips ever since, and then I took profits. My last buy profits were here at 11.9, and I caught sales from there, going on to the bottom of the channel.
Okay.
And then from there, I took my buys all up until I could double my account.
So you actually doubled it. Wow.
Yeah.
So let's see.
My account
See them. And so now let's ask you a few questions in terms of how you were able to achieve this. Ne?
Okay.
Sure.
Hi there everyone, this is FX GOAT, your mentor, and next to me guys, I have one of our successful students who is killing the market like we are. Let me leave the introduction to him as he'll tell you what's his name and how did you know about us. Off to you.
Okay, my name is Letabo Mugwena. I knew about FX GOAT last year, 2019, closer to the end of the year, November. It was my sister who told me about FX GOAT, and that they are in the same school. They go to the same school together, so I should just get in touch because she knew the passion that I have for trading. So only when I started going to school this year, I continued with school this year. Took some time before going to school, and when I went to school, you were hit with this pandemic and everybody was evacuated from Greece and we had to go home. So I was just trying to figure out everything and start trading on my own, and until I met you guys, FX GOAT, and things have been different since, man.
So I have a question first. When was the first time did you start with us being like our mentee, our student? When was the first day that we started mentoring you?
It was not so long ago. It was I remember it was the 8th of September this year, 2020, when I started being part of FX GOAT.
And then since September, right now we're at November. It's been approximately 3 months or 2?
Yeah, we can say 2.5.
2.5 months. So what would you say helped you? What helped you the most to arrive to a level in such a short period of time?
The time, man. The time. You get the course, you give in everything that you have. Everything that you have, given the time and the effort, and everything is going to work for you. So it was the time for me.
Would you say we ever spoon-fed you? Was there a time whereby we spoon-fed you anything?
Not even once.
So you do agree that it takes effort from a student themselves in order to be successful. You need to, as a student, take a course, but now it's up to you on how to approach the course. Yeah. Are you going to take everything they tell you seriously? Are you going to apply everything that is told to you that you must do in order to arrive to a level. So my question is this, my brother. In order for you to arrive to where you are in just a short period of time, and then knowing that you're not spoon-fed, what helped you to not give up in this process? Like in these 2 months, have you ever reached a point whereby you want to give up?
Point of giving up, I can say it was once.
And then how did you overcome it?
It was once, but how I overcame it was because I could see success through you guys and the time that you spend behind the market and how much it has worked for you guys, going through YouTube videos and going through the course itself. I could see light at the end of the tunnel. So I figured that, you know what, giving up isn't even an option. So I just felt that, let me just hold on, let me just, you know, it's gonna happen someday.
Yes, it takes dedication. It takes you as an individual to learn. It takes you as a person, your character. You must have the ability to not give up. You must have courage to continue, even when you feel like you had enough.
Yeah.
Because the moment you surpass where you want to give up, that's when you can reach success. So guys, this is Letabo, one of our successful students, and to that, we as FX GOAT are rewarding him with one of our t-shirts. This is a different one. He's wearing a different t-shirt. The first time that you saw that Martino was wearing at the beginning of the video, he's receiving that one. My brother, here's a t-shirt, and we want to say continue killing the market, continue representing FX GOAT, and continue doing what you do, man. This is FX GOAT, your mentors, signing out.
Hi there everyone, this is FX GOAT, your mentor, and today guys I'll be showing you on how to grow a $100 account and get to a point whereby you double the account using proper risk management and correct lot sizing for your account size. So this is my real account, a $100 account, and I'm using the broker Globex 360, and today the date is the 27th of October 2020. Let's get started guys. It's a new day and I've already started trading the account. It's been 3 days now. As you can see, I started on the 30th of October and here's my running trades. I always make sure to use proper risk management. I don't open too many trades running to avoid getting a margin call because the account is small. And my lot size is based on the volatility and spread of the pairs I'm trading on the Globex 360 broker. So as you can see guys, Euro and GBP pairs are volatile, hence I use lot size 0.05 on them, and Nasdaq only starts at lot size 0.10 because it's less volatile for this broker. We're back in profits now. I normally give myself gaps of when to look at the market to monitor my trades. I'm doing this because I want to avoid being glued to the screen and end up being a chart zombie, which is the quickest way to blow your account. So randomly check out your trades to see how they're going, but then move away to give your account space to let the market move. The account is growing guys. Already booked a few profits for today as the aim is to grow the account. So let me also close this GBP JPY trade to double the account. And now I'll monitor the last trades so that I can withdraw, which is only possible when I don't have running trades. So for now, let's see how things play out. We're back again guys. It's a new day, still pushing the account. Yesterday I took a big loss. I was back to hundreds. I moved from 200 overall account size with this loss, but I made it back today, as you can see. So yeah guys, this is the account. Let's continue growing. So yeah guys, finally managed to close all my running trades. So I made a $100 withdrawal. The aim is to withdraw my initial deposit so that I'm able to detach my emotions from this account. Meaning that from now on, I'll only be trading profits aside from my $100 deposit, which makes it easy for me to cut my emotions and trade like a professional. Okay guys, let's continue. We back again guys. It's a new week. Made my first withdrawal last week Thursday, which was the 5th of November. Today is the 9th, which is a Monday. Let's see what the market has for us this week. We are killing guys.
the market has respected our setups again. Most trades hit my take profits. We are about to double account again, guys. This is a beautiful week. Let's continue and see what the market has for us. And the account is doubled again, guys. It's definitely been a wonderful winning streaks, guys. This is where I'm ending the video, unfortunately, guys. Hope you guys picked up a thing or two on how I approach my trades and the proper risk management I apply on my accounts. Once again, this is FX GOAT, your mentors, signing out.
You gotta be on his neck, bro. Behind the scenes.
That's why I'm put pressure on that nigga. Okay, I'm not able to.
Yeah, because
he's my director, dog. I'm gonna put my foot on his neck.
Yeah, dog. I want the video.
No,